Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy Reef P. I'm back bringing you the finale of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. So, last video we pulled out to Planet Fast Stew. Come to find out Tachyon is invading the planet with the Kragmine Empire. Also, this video took way longer to upload than it should have because I recorded the finale actually. My computer got messed up, had to get it repaired. Plus, also I've been focusing on school because you gotta prioritize. But with that being said, we about to do this. Let's face off Tachyon and save the world. Let's do this. Oh yeah, also one thing, before we go, I just want to say this video isn't going to have the outro because I have to remake the outro. I didn't have it back up. It was on my computer and I ended up losing all my files. So yeah, unfortunately, pretty soon I'm going to have a new intro and it's going to be fire. That being said, let's do this. Oh, never mind. Oh, it didn't even show the cutscene. There's usually a cutscene like, right before the fight, but like I said, I recorded it, so yeah. Not gonna show the cutscene, unfortunately. And also, this fight is mad hard. No homo. Like this is probably the hardest fight in the game. Okay. Oh yeah, also, the reason why I haven't been uploading because I've been playing Persona 5 Royal a lot lately. Even though the game just came out, I've been playing it like crazy. Take care of these guys. Should I pull out that fusion grenade? Oh yeah, also, jump over these shockwaves so you don't get hit. I know it's kind of obvious, but you never know.
I wasn't ready, you contemptible miscreant!
Just keep doing this. Dodge that.
No, my eyes were closed.
Oh yeah, also he's gonna. Oh my god, I almost got hit. That was pure skill right there.
Degenerate.
Oh, the buzz blades, or the doom blades, whatever they're called. It's been a while since I last recorded the video. Also, things been kind of tough with this coronavirus going around. Not gonna lie, I wasn't scared at first, but now I'm kind of nervous. Man, I just hope we get past this and we bounce back from this. My condolences go out to the people who contracted the coronavirus and they're fighting for their lives right now. Just keep being strong. You got this. Just hope for the best. I almost fell off. Oh god, I got hit. I might die a couple times, I'm not gonna lie. You know what? Let's pull out a Namus one more and Mr. Zircon. How's that? Oh yeah, also he's gonna drop these minions. You ever run in more health? Okay, never mind. The Nanos one will kill the minions. You ever run in low health, just use a leech bomb and just take the health from the minions. I got hit by that. I'm not doing it.
Is that the best you can do? No wonder your race banished themselves from this universe.
Oh boy. Oh, I got health. Let's go. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. Oh yeah, also, this attack right here where he's just gonna shoot mad missiles at you, this attack is mad annoying and stupid and it's mad hard to dodge.
Cry not for your father, Lombax. You'll be
Alright, that just happened.
How clever. How ingenious. Are you sure you're a Lombat?
Alright, I'm back. Here's to hoping I don't die again. Oh yeah, also, if you ever having trouble, Rubitron works on him. But I don't think it lasts for very long.
I just had to say detail.
Throw another Nano Swarmer, Mr. Zircon.
I shall let you live, little alien. Psych, Mr. Zircon.
Yeah, this boss fight is really tough.
Already, you contemptible miscreant.
Well, let me use the plasma uses. I ain't really use one like that. Why not put them to good use? You know? If you don't know what you're doing, this boss fight can be mad tough. That attack when you shot mad, missing that attack is mad stupid. How are you supposed to dodge all that? Whatever, I can't complain. I'm actually about to beat him. I'm doing better than I thought I was.
Despisable, detestable, degenerate.
Well, let's throw another Rubitron in here. Oh, come on, don't die. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, I'm about to beat him. Oh god, what weapon can I pull out?
Marvelous. Splendid.
Damn, what can I pull out?
Nope.
Oh, Rubitron. Oh, what other weapon?
Go
What's the
anywhere.
flamethrower?
I intend to kill you just as soon as this song is over. How clever.
And there we go, Tachyon P. It
Are
only
you
took me 2
sure
attempts.
you're
Wow.
a Lombat?
What? Wait, no, he's not dead. No, you're not that ass. Oh my god.
Cursed Lombax! I just had to say detailed. Is that it? Is that the best you can do? No wonder your race banished themselves from this universe.
Wait, where's the hell? Thank you. There we go.
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you.
That's what I'm doing.
Cry not for your father. Lombax, you'll be reunited with him soon enough. I wasn't ready, you... horrible miscreant. Great! Now this infernal song will be stuck in my head all day. I have waited for this. Hey, pinch me.
Okay, Mr. Sir can't be loaded now.
There we go. It's finally defeated. Jesus Christ.
You can't kill me, Lombax. Only I know your true purpose in this galaxy. Only I know your true name. The Cragmite return is inevitable. Your kind will never be safe. Do you hear me and me? Never!
It's broken! Looks like something snapped off the primary reflux coil.
I believe it is missing a 3 3/4 centicubit hexagonal washer.
Dimensionator, find home!
Ratchet, are you all right?
Where are we?
We are home, Ratchet.
Arr! Arr! Arr!
No! You've got it all wrong, mate! Try it again, this time from the throat!
Arr!
Honestly, how did you ever become the captain of anything? Once more, and this time, add an inappropriate slur.
Arr, you saucy wench!
I'm gonna need more grog.
I am Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Cragmite. Fear me and, whatnot, for I will rule the universe.
Die, Cragmite fiend!
Will you two be careful? Krunk's head is a microcubit away from popping off.
Do you think he was telling the truth, Clank? About my father? About my purpose?
I detected no lie in his voice, but I believe your purpose has already been filled. You vanquished Tachyon, something even the Lombaxes could not do.
Thanks, Clank.
Don't look at me. You said it was broken.
We need to make sure you survive. Now it's time to come home.
Whoa. Clank, are these the Zoni?
The time has come, sire, to learn who you are and who you will become.
Let him go.
It is time to understand your purpose. It is time to come with us.
Yes, time to come with you.
Clank!
I'll see you then. You guys have a good night.